हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल।
गाइस, आज हम आपको लेके जा रहे हैं दुबई बर्ड शो में, जो कि आप देख ही सकते हैं क्रीक पार्क में ही होता है। लास्ट वीडियो हम आपको लेके गए थे डॉल्फिन एंड सील शो। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो यहाँ पे आई बटन पे आप क्लिक करके वो वीडियो एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। आज का बर्ड शो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है। हम पहली बार ही देखने जा रहे हैं। हम काफ़ी टाइम से सोचते थे, लेकिन हम आज पहली बार ही देखने जा रहे हैं। बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं। जुड़े रहिए वीडियो में।
Are you ready? Have they danced good? Yes.
Darling, with the flusher, just turn off the flusher, yeah? Princess, yeah, flusher off because the birds get upset. Okay, do you like that dancing? Yeah. Very nice, thank you so much, Amora. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Pinky. Thank you, Amora. Now, Coco is the most intelligent parrot. He can actually speak. Listen, Coco, something in Arabic.
Say hello to everyone in Arabic.
Alaikum salam. Something in English.
Oh, hello everybody. How are you?
Everybody great. Give me a sound of a cat.
Cat, meow, cat, meow.
Angry dog. Now when you see a beautiful lady, what do you do? Now Coco, your best friend had a birthday party. What are you gonna sing? You know, such a gentleman, he waits for people to come inside, eh? Now Coco, when you don't bring, what do you sing when you're, what gift, if you don't bring a gift, what do you do? I have to get it correctly. Alright!
You are number.
Alright? Real strong girl. Hold it. 2 hands. Perfect. Don't move your hand. JJ, come on out! Here comes JJ. Very nice. Awesome. Anush, come. His brother also come. What's his name? Ayo, come on. Yalla. Alem, alright, don't move your hand, alright? Just a second. Alright, Yalla, go already. Set and boom! Very nice. Awesome. Little guy, come. تعال. يلا تعال امسك. Okay, come help him. شو اسمك؟ Matheus, شو اسمك؟ يلا Adam, Matheus, don't move your hands, stay like this. Very nice, keep it steady and fantastic! Come. Yalla, hold together, ready? Hold. Yes, very nice. Alright, yalla. Don't move your hand. Leave it like that.
How about the kids in the park room?
Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to the kids. You want more kids? Now, my friends, I have a question. Do you like cartoons? Who like cartoons? Do you like Tom and Jerry? SpongeBob? Now, DJ?
Yes.
Can I ask you something?
What is
What
that?
is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon?
Yeah.
You know what, bro? I love so much cartoon.
Which your favorite?
Frozen.
You like Frozen?
Yes, you are shocked.
I am shocked. Our friendship just ended, by the way. My favorite cartoon is called The Lion King. Roll your cameras. Let's talk about the lovely toucan.
Zazu.
And Zizi. Now these birds are very friendly and social. I want you to tell me which one is the boy, which one is the girl. This is the boy. Who say the one on my hand is the boy? Raise your hands. Yes, you are absolutely wrong. This is the girl. The only way to make the difference is by the size of the beak. Princess, come join me. Come. Stand here. Alright. And open your right hand like this. Alright. Now, don't eat the food, huh? Keep your hand like this, don't move your hand. These birds are very friendly and sociable. They cannot fly for a long distance. They have very short wings. The wings are too small, they cannot carry the weight. Very nice, everybody. Let's give her a big round of applause. Awesome. Go. Alright, so let's see you. Thank you. Alright. Any? لحظة. Mama, you, Mama. Stand up. Open your hand. Very nice. Open your hand. Nice, very nice. You can stretch. Open your hand. Alright, stand up. Guys, sit down, please. Sit down. Yes, perfect. Alright, keep your hand steady. Don't move your hand. Here she comes. Alright, Mama, close your hand. Don't worry if she licks your fingers, we have fingers. Yeah, she's planning to get the tongue. Do we have the tongue? Yeah. From China? Mama, close your hand like this. Yes, perfect. Stay like this. Don't move. Very nice. Big round of applause, awesome. Alright, let's get a big round of applause, birds. Now, my friends, we're gonna come to commercials, but our commercials are very unique. What is the national bird of the UAE? Roll your cameras, let's welcome the Falcon!
We are talking about the raptors, the fastest flyers in the world.
My friends, these are the Falcons, and after the show, you will take a picture with them. Very easy and simple. I'm gonna show you how. The Falcon will fly and they will land on your hand. You can take the picture by yourself or with your family members after the show. Picture will be for 50 dirham only. But today we have a special offer. It will be for 49.9 dirham.
The offer.
Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to the trainers. Awesome. Well, they send you cars like this.
Yes.
Now I'm going to introduce you to my favorite girl, Fatati Al-Mufattala. She come all the way from Australia. I call her the White Angel.
Al-Malaki, Abiyan. Al-Malako, Ambia, the White Angel.
This guy, when he speaks Arabic, it sounds like Netflix on Arabic subtitles. Now the White Angel doesn't come alone. She comes with her BFF.
Dio.
Let's welcome Sophia.
Dodo.
Would you like to make waves?
Sure.
Who wants to do it with you?
Yes.
Who wants to be with you? Team what?
You will lose.
Alright, ready, set, and fly.
Okay, the one who finishes fast will be the winner. Watch this. Come on, bring faster. And the winner is my team, Green. Yes, important, yeah.
Green team, Ahmad, you're happy? You are with the green team?
Yes.
Don't talk to me. I thought you're gonna be on my team. Alright, everybody, let's welcome round 2. Hey, the game is not done, but you have to win 2 games out of 3. Everybody coming out! Alright, for the round 2, we're gonna have 2 different players. So everybody, let's welcome all the way from the Amazons. We have the player, the NBA player. Here comes Mr. Abu. Abu comes with his coach, Dodo. And on the other team, we have Amora, the coach and community player. Ready, set, action.
Musri. Yalla, pasta. We're going to play basketball. Here comes Michael Jordan. Go get the ball. Lewandowski puts it in. 2-0. You want to play one more time, bro? I will give you a chance to win.
It's okay, what is the score?
2-0.
Oh my god. Ahmad, good that you choose the green team. Very smart. You know what? For this round, we're gonna go with this one. Are you ready? What is the point? I'm losing anyway. So no, come on.
One. Okay, Green. Slow down. Give it a chance to win. Yes. Slow down.
Oh,
Good. The final will be someone.
thank you, DJ. Everybody, let's give a round of applause to teamwork. Now, you know what? Let's do something cool. Do you like painting? Okay, don't get excited. You know what I mean. Have you ever seen a bird doing painting before? Where? They got it, that one. Good! You right! Roll your cameras, let's welcome all the way from stay with me. All of them can live up to 8 years of age due to visual attribution. But the black ball, Parrot, is the only bird who can live up to 100 years of age. Funny fact, they find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
What?
Yeah.
You can live for 100 years with one partner.
Yeah.
Wow, just like humans, huh? Yes, just like us.
Like humans?
Us, Baba.
Wait. Baba, can I ask you something? You are married? Can you stay 100 years with one partner? You give me goosebumps! Baba, he's ignoring me. Can you stay 100 years with one partner? Look at me, they're smart. They are smart. Baba, can you stay 100? Yes. Baba, you. Can you stay 100 years with one partner? Yes. Who cannot stay? Raise your hands. Let's go. Baba, raise his hand. Baba, raise your hand again. Baba, let's give a big round of applause, everybody. First, for his courage. Okay. Second, he's sleeping on the sofa. Without dinner. Now, I want to use your imagination. What do you see? Huh? Girlfriend? Oh, I have girlfriend. What's wrong with me today with my hearing? You are an E-flat. Nice. DJ, what do you see?
It looks like a food.
Rainbow. What kind of food look like this?
Fruit salad.
You know, yeah? You know what I see?
What is that?
Shawarma combo. I want to get one for 3 years over.
Spicy or regular?
Super spicy with French fries.
From where?
Happy man. Enjoy this fruit salad. Shawarma combo. Rainbow.
No.
UAE flag.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's give a big round of applause. Okay. DJ, run! Let's give a big round of applause to DJ, by the way. Double job. And now, my friends, have you ever seen a bird riding a bicycle before? Hey, you guys, I know, yes. All right, everybody, clap your hands. This is pretty.
Garage, how are you?
Yes, I am.
Yalla guys, habibi, yalla, تعال.
You sound like the guy from the metro.
المحطة القادمة هي هجومات.
Okay, this boy loves mathematics. Who loves mathematics? Nice. Give me a number between 1 and 10. 7 and 9. Alright, let's go. 7 plus 9. DJ,
Yes.
do you like mathematics?
Of course, it's my favorite subject, bro.
9 plus 7, 7 plus 9.
79. Simple.
7 plus 9.
79.
16. Okay, just wait a second. There's something I want to make sure. Are you sure?
Yes, 100%.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Which school did you go to?
UN,
University of?
University of Naim.
MashaAllah. What did you do there?
7 popcorn.
Alright, 7 plus 9. Let's see who's right. Come on, everybody, clap your hands.
What is the first number?
Number 1.
1?
What is the second one?
4, 16 is the right answer. Watch this.
Yes, sir. Okay. Do you want to play a game?
What kind of game?
Very old game.
Don't tell me older than me.
How old are you, by the way?
21.
Huh?
Yes, 21.
You are 21?
Yeah.
1921. Now the game is easy and simple. The ball and the cup. What is going to happen? I will jiggle. If you find it, I'll give you a prize.
Jiggy.
What is it?
Empty ball.
Never invite this guy to your birthday. I'm serious. Yalla, are you ready, everybody? 1, 2, 3, and what is it? Sit down. Middle. Yeah. Mama is excited for happy boxes, huh? Mama loves happy boxes, yeah? All the mamas. My mama kicked me out of the room to put empty boxes. Okay, now are you ready? 1, 2, 3, eyes on the cup, everybody. What is it? Here.
Wow.
This is what happened when you watch the show twice.
You know what, Tom? This is the real one.
Okay, this is the real one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and eyes on the cup, everybody.
Hey, faster. More faster. And how about you, Jerry? Come on, bro.
You know what DJ?
Yeah.
When I was at school, I was the best magician ever.
Yeah?
Where's the ball? No ball? No ball. What is this? Alright, I will mix one more time, the bird will find. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, let's cheer them up!
You know what, bro? Let's do it one more time.
You know what? I'm gonna prove for you something, alright? My friend here, what's your name? Adam, yeah, right, I asked you before. Adam, come. Adam, stand here. This is the ball and the cup, okay? This is empty. You will mix. When you finish, you put one here, one here, one here, okay? Yalla, 1, 2, 3, mix, mix. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's good, bro.
Whenever you're ready, big guy, yeah? You have to finish today, yeah?
You can be a part of us one day.
Yalla, خلاص, perfect. Push out, push like this. Push to the back. Fish on, fish on. Ayo, very nice. Kini 5, Adam. Boom! Everybody, let's give Adam a big round of applause. Thank you, buddy. Now, I have no idea where's the ball, so check this out.
Let's talk about the real magic. What's this?
Wow! Man, how he do this thing.
He is a magician, bro.
Do you want to know how he did this trick? Yeah, who wants to know? Wallahi, if I tell you tomorrow, I have no job. Now, one more surprise. Roll your cameras, everybody. Let's welcome the largest eagle in the world.
Akbar Mr. Bill Aram.
I give you the one and only AED Child.
Unrated giant weighs about 4.5 kilograms. He is found in Russia.
Yes, my friend, this is Andrew. Be careful. Yeah, he shoots vanilla sometimes. Now, after the show, my friends, you can take a picture with this lovely eagle, and I'm gonna show you how. Andrew is very friendly. He is 4.5 kilos. Kids, hold your mama and daddy, hold your kids. Yeah, they will become buffet now. Now, after the show, you can take a picture like this. He will climb on your hand and you will lift him up high. Picture with him will be for 100 dirhams. But today we have a special offer. It will be for... Nice. So everybody don't miss it. It's a good offer. Let's give a big round of applause to our marvelous trainer, Hans. Thank you, Hans. And of course, big round of applause to Andre from Russia, 6 years old. Spasibo. And now one more surprise. Everybody put your hands in the air. Are you ready? Ready. Count with me. 3.
The national dress of Brazil, Asafir, Shemes.
My friends, these are Golden Players, Asafir Shemes. Unfortunately, this is the end of our session. Thank you for joining us. You're all incredible. Your MC Elias,
DJ Pants.
beautiful trainers. Stay safe. Bye bye.
सो गाइस कैसा लगा आपको ये बर्ड शो? हमें तो बहुत मजा आया और बच्चों ने भी बहुत एंजॉय किया एंड आई होप कि आप सबने भी हमारे साथ खूब एंजॉय किया होगा। गाइस बर्ड शो की जो टाइमिंग्स है वो है 12:15, 3:15 एंड 7:15 और ध्यान रखिए गाइस ये शो जो है वो ट्यूसडे को नहीं होता है।
गाइज अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा दीजिए, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए, प्लीज़ लाइक करिए हमारे वीडियो को, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करके बताइए आपको बर्ड शो कैसा लगा और आप क्या क्या और प्लेसेस हैं जो देखना चाहते हैं, हम आपको ज़रूर लेके जाएंगे। जुड़े रहिए अगले वीडियो तक।